My name is Hasina Kennedy.
I am Mariana Monzon.
My name is Kathy Ibrahim.
I'm 18 years old.
I'm 16.
I am 16 years old.
I was diagnosed with rhabdomyosarcoma in August 2011.
I was diagnosed in 2009, December 21st. I got leukemia ALL.
I was diagnosed with rhabdomyosarcoma when I was 8 and relapsed when I was 14. My face was always an issue for me. Since I was diagnosed when I was 8, I've always had problems with my face because it would just randomly start swelling up, and I never really had problems with my weight before, but because the chemo affected my appetite, I didn't really eat much.
Well, mostly it was just the pimples on my face that I was just dealing with. The rest I was fine about, really. Like, I didn't really think about my body much, just things on my face. That was the most hard part for me.
I'm more self-conscious about like my eyebrows and stuff because I don't have them, and like eyelashes. And I always like wonder if people notice before, like if I don't tell them, like are they noticing? But most people don't really notice until I tell them, and they'll be like, oh, I never really noticed. But yeah, mostly like just hair loss and things like that. I'm like, you feel self-conscious about it.
I'll always be self-conscious about this stuff because once you're self-conscious about something, I don't really think it goes away. You'll always like feel like you need to be more aware of it, even though some people might not notice it. Like paralysis, people didn't notice it until I told them, but I've always noticed it because it's myself, and you just notice stuff about yourself more than other people.
I just feel really strong. So, and knowing that I'm about to finish treatment, I feel okay again. I don't feel like weak.
I still like try to keep my life as normal as possible. Like I still talk to all my friends. I still go out if I can. I still try to just like, you know, do normal things, like the stuff I enjoyed doing before I got cancer.
Also, I would just talk to some of my friends who are also going through the same thing as me. And I guess talking to them and like hearing about their experiences helped me because I know I'm not alone in the way I'm feeling. And yeah, that helped me.
You definitely get better from whatever you have. If you just think about it in your mind that you can do it, then you can do it.
And try to keep your life like as normal as possible, and don't just like get sucked into your cancer and feeling sorry for yourself.
You're not alone, and the side effects of cancer most of them are temporary. So you might be feeling bad now, but hopefully when you're done your treatment, you'll be feeling much better.